Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone starting a YouTube channel, finding your niche. Whether you're a newbie or looking to refocus your channel, this step-by-step guide will help you discover your perfect niche on YouTube. Step 1. Identify your interests and passions. First things first, take some time to reflect on what excites you. What are you passionate about? Whether it's cooking, gaming, tech, or travel, your niche should align with your interests. This will keep you motivated and make creating content enjoyable. Step 2. Research popular niches. Next, research popular niches on YouTube. Look at what's trending and identify areas with a strong following. Check out top channels in those niches and see what content resonates with viewers. This will give you an idea of what's currently popular and help you find gaps or unique angles you can explore. Step 3. Analyze your skills and expertise. Consider your skills and expertise. What knowledge or talents can you bring to your niche? For example, if you're a skilled chef, a cooking channel could be a great fit. Leveraging your skills will set you apart and provide value to your audience. Step 4. Define your target audience. Understanding your target audience is key. Who are you creating content for? Define their interests, age group, and preferences. This will help you tailor your content to meet their needs and attract viewers who are genuinely interested in your niche. Step 5. Evaluate competition. Analyze the competition within your chosen niche. Look at other creators and see how they engage with their audience. Identify what they're doing well and where you can differentiate yourself. This could be through unique content ideas, a distinct style, or a different approach to the topic. Step 6. Test and refine your niche. Start creating content and see how it performs. Monitor engagement, view counts, and feedback from your audience. Use this data to refine your niche and make adjustments as needed. Finding your niche is an evolving process, so be open to making changes based on what resonates with your viewers. Step 7. Stay consistent and engage with your audience. Finally, stay consistent with your content and engage with your audience. Building a successful channel takes time, so keep producing valuable content and interacting with your viewers. Their feedback will be invaluable in helping you refine your niche and grow your channel. And that's a wrap on our step-by-step guide to finding your niche on YouTube. Remember, your niche should reflect your passions, skills, and audience interests. With research, testing, and consistency, you'll find the perfect niche for your channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.